Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today you are going to learn to make standard presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint using the Morph transition. It creates smooth movements and transition. It adds emphasis and focus to your content and easily shows transformation and evolution. Morph is the only transformation you'll ever need. Let's learn it from scratch. Before that, I have a request. If you do like the content that I upload, then support me by subscribing to my channel and also like and share this video. Let's get back to learning now. So here we are on a new PowerPoint presentation. Let me first briefly tell you what does Morph actually do. So Morph moves one particular object from one slide, and if you change the position or tweak with its shape a little and you move it onto the second slide, then Morph will show a smooth transformation from object 1 in the first slide to its new representation in the next slide. By that I mean, if suppose say I have the slide 1, on this I am going to add a circle, and let me just do something with its formatting. No outline. Now I'll duplicate this slide, and on the second slide I'm going to move the circle, and let's say I want to enlarge this. So this is, I've got two different slides right now. Now coming in the slide preview, I'm going to select both the slides and then head on to the transitions menu, and in that select Morph, and this is what it does. Morph can actually make your presentations and content stand out and engage more focus of your viewers onto the presentation. So let's see one nice demonstration of it. I'll just delete all this. So right now I have a blank slide. I'll add a title to it. So this is the title, and I have some contents already pasted on the clipboard. So this is the first title. Let me just make it into center. For fonts and everything seemed pretty good to me. I'll add a pastel background to it and remove the outline. So, and let me change the text fill to white. I'm going to add 4 points under this slide. So we have 4 key benefits of effective communication. So let me just add 4 rounded rectangles under this. So I'm ready with my content. Once done with this, let us change the color of the rectangles. Let us make it colorless. So I'll go to shape format, and in the shape fill I'll select no fill. So you can see that you can barely see anything, and also I'll remove the shape outline. But I want the characters to be little visible, so I'll come to the text fill and choose a very subtle color. So you can see that you can see something is there on the screen, but it's barely readable to us. Now I'll try and make this stand out. So next part I'm going to do is I'm going to insert shapes again. So I will use rounded squares one more time, and I have covered it on top of the first point. Let's change the color for this, and let's make it say green, and I will send it back. So you can see that the first point is now visible. I'll create a copy of this and send it behind the second point as well. Let's duplicate, send back, and one last time duplicate, send back. Once done with this, we'll be creating 3 more copies of the slide. So onto slide 1, I'll be deleting the second, third, and the fourth green rectangle. On the second slide, I will delete the first, third, and the fourth rectangle to emphasize the second point. On the third slide, I want to emphasize on the third point, so I will be removing the first, second, and the fourth green background which I have added. And onto the fourth slide, I will be deleting the first, second, the third green background. Now done with all this, select all the slides, head on to the transitions menu, and under that select Morph. Once done with that, let us preview. So this is key benefits of effective communication. Point 1, enhanced clarity. When I change the slide, it moves on to stronger relationships, and again changing the slide, it moves on to increased productivity, and lastly it moves on to improved problem solving. So you can use this as per your convenience, and you can also of course adjust the timings and how does this transition behave. So the usage of morph transition is not only restricted to what I have showed you right now. You could use the morph transition in more number of ways. I hope you like this tutorial and use morph transitions and take your presentations to another level. And I will really appreciate if you like the video and share it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and stay connected for more videos coming up.